Oh, you fucking good one. Demand. Fucking.
That wasn't.
No, you're still flying far on me.
How? I can see you. Both shots, I saw you.
Cool, don't give a shit. Anyway.
Kill, man, kill.
Go him.
Fuck you, horny bitch.
Fuck you, I'll get you in a minute then. 2, 1. Alright, we're out here with Dave.
Alright, geez.
Big up Dave. Me and Dave are going to get some amazing kills today.
Already had a complaint, now I'm full of wanting.
Oh.
Lewis said someone's already complained about you.
About us?
About me.
Oh, yeah. No, that's going to happen a lot. They despise everyone that uses a tank. There's someone over in these bushes, they're facing it. Good shit, boy, good shit.
Both shot him in the face.
Whoa, friendly. Get him.